Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video, and today I've got you another Apple product. For those of you that know, I did an iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2020 iPad video for my last video. So if you haven't checked that video, I'll drop it in the link in the description box down below so you can check it out. So with no further ado, let's get into the video. So as you saw by the title and thumbnail, and of course by the box, you can see that today I've got you an unboxing of the brand new Airpods Pro. Now I said brand new, but these really came out about a couple months ago at this point, but they're still pretty brand new. And this is the newest Airpods that Apple sells. As you know, you have the Airpods, and then I guess you can say the Airpods 2, which really only adds a wireless charging case. And then that's when Apple came out with these bad boys, which are the Airpods Pros. And today I'm going to be unboxing them, and I'll be doing a review on these as well. So stay tuned for that video, and in that video I'm going to be talking about more in the in-depth specs, what the features that this thing has. So today, pretty much just the unboxing experience. Alrighty, so let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Alrighty guys, so like I said, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and I've switched over to this kind of layout. Like I said, one of the OG fans out there are going to remember when I used to do my videos in this kind of layout all the time back in the day, about 2 years ago. So yeah, shout out to you OG subscribers out there that remember how I used to do my videos. Alright, so let's get that chatter out of the way and let's get to the unboxing of this bad boy. So let's open this box up. As you can see, we're greeted with an image of the beautiful AirPods Pro. Take that out, voila. Put that out of the way. Designed by Apple in California. Great. So in here we just have the boring paperwork, the Apple stickers, and I'm actually interested to see if the Apple stickers are actually a smaller size, but we'll check that out in a minute. And then we get to the AirPods Pros themselves. So let's slide these out of the box, put these to the side. We'll get to these in a minute, don't worry. And then let's open this up, take this out, and then you get greeted with the charger itself. Man, I gotta say, I can smell the box from here, just to show you how strong the smell is. As you can see here, it does charge with a lightning cable, although it is USB-C to lightning, unlike regular USB type A to lightning. So this is supposedly fast charging. Like I said, I'm going to get into all the details in the next video, which is going to be the review video. So like I said, I'm going to get to the details and stuff like that in that video. And then the next thing, or the last thing, is the changeable ear tips, which, as you know, the AirPods Pro now have, unlike the AirPods previous ones that didn't even have any ear tips. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it in the box. Yep, nothing in there. And then the back, it just shows you an image, some details, made in China, whatever. Alrighty, but now that we've got all that stuff out of the way, let's head back to the studio and talk about these a little bit more. Alrighty, so we're back at the studio with the traditional layout, and as you can see here, we just unboxed these bad boys, as you guys just saw, and I gotta say guys, these look fresh. Now as you can see here, it's traditional why usually Apple likes to go with the simplistic design of their products, and it's no different with their AirPods Pro. Now let me go show you the actual AirPod itself. This is how it looks basically. Sorry guys if it's there you go. As you can see, it's a pretty small. In fact, the stem on these is actually smaller than the AirPods, the non-AirPods Pro. So yeah, when you put them in your ear like so, as you can see, they don't stick out as much as the traditional AirPods. Now, I wish I had the first AirPods that came out to show you the difference between these and those, but I'll pull up a picture here and show you guys the difference between the two. Now, as you can see here, unlike the other AirPods, these actually have a rubber ear tip, which to me is more comfortable in the ear, because as you know, the Soundcore earbuds, as you know, these kind of don't compare because these are like quadruple the price of those. But basically, they also have an ear tip on these as well. Like I said, I'm not going to get too much in the details in today's video because I'm going to be doing that in the review video. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up today's video. And let me one last look at the AirPods before we close this video out. So you can see here, it has that nice shut sound. Everybody seems to love when AirPod cases close, and it's no different here. You can see here we also have an LED indicator. Not sure if you guys can see that. We have an LED indicator when you do open up the pods themselves. Not sure if you guys saw that. The camera's kind of messing with me today, but like I said, these are sick. Now I'm gonna get into the price in the next video as well. You guys probably already know the price of these bad boys. Let me just give you a hint. They're pretty expensive. But yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at JJTech123, and also check out that iPad Pro 12.9 inch review video, because that video was a banger. And also stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be the review video. Like I said, turn on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload that video. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out.